welcome to Monday. So it's my favorite kind of Monday because I'm on vacation for my part-time job. So I'm still in bed and I'm going to draw some Inktober prompts and just chill for the day. I'm going to try to have a chilled week because every time I take vacation from my part-time job, I try to take advantage of it and get some work done on illustration, but I really need some rest, so let's have a chilled week. And let's draw something. I still need to check. This is the last Inktober that I posted. I really love the mushroom and the shiny bits I put in here. Also, I got a matte protection for the screen, so now it's not so shiny, so you can see better. And I already have shown you the silicone protective thingy for the pen. So I want to do the embroidery prompt from Crystal Moon on Instagram, so I think I'll do that one. Also, I use the 3000 per 3000 pixels resolution at 300 dpi whenever I want to use it for Instagram. Let's paint. So the first sketch is all done. I need to do the second sketch where I put the lines a little more cleaner, but I really wanted to do this one because I had this idea and I really wanted to finish it. So yeah, I think it looks cute. Sorry. Oh, this is like the first sketch. Then I take the opacity down in here, then I do it like this, and now I will go with it in a new layer to make the sketch more clean, but I think it looks cute. Hello there, welcome to Tuesday. You know you're on vacations when you wake up at noon. It's noon! So I thought I might show you the finished drawing from the other day that you saw me. This is my Inktober so far. So the first day were crystals, then it was the moon, autumn leaves, cozy witch, cauldron, costume, lucky cat, then the crystal ball, mushrooms, then I did the embroidery, which is this one that you saw the time-lapse, and this is the finished piece. I think it looks very nice. This is some details. I went for a more realistic thing. I still did a little face and I think it looks very cute, and I think the realistic and illustration part, it looks very nice. And this one was my Monday one. They are all very late because today is like 23 of October, but yeah, this is the ones that I've found most interesting and I really wanted to do them. So, and yesterday I did the old cocoa. You can see that I always have two because sometimes I make them too small and I don't want to put all the layers together, so I select them and then I double them and then I can make them bigger. This is the original and this is the bigger one. I think it looks very cute as well. Poor little thing is melting, and you can see like in here all the layers are together, and in here I left all the layers apart. So yeah, now you can see a little more up behind of what I do. For the sketch, if you are interested, for the sketch I use the HB pencil, and most of the time I only paint with the gouache brush or these ones that I downloaded for the internet, and they really imitate watercolors very nice. And since these brushes are a little transparent, when I add some colored background, in here it looks white, but it's a very faded pink, I always do this layer, white layer underneath, so that the colors will pop a little more. Let's see if you can see the difference. Like, I don't know if you can see a little bit of difference, but yeah, when the color is darker you can see a big difference. Like, let's see, maybe here I did this as well, and it gives a little more shiny to it. So yeah, this is my Inktober so far. Maybe I'll do a video with only the speed paintings of every one of them. And this is one I want to color today. This is like a rough sketch so far, because yesterday prompt was garden. So I'll probably do this one. So I need to edit these photos that I took last week that you saw on the previous vlog. So I need to add these products to the shop this weekend, and then I have the Planet B ones as well, and the coasters and new earrings. I don't know if I'll add everything this Saturday, or maybe some things this Saturday and other things the other Saturday, maybe. We'll see. I need to edit them, and then we'll see. So this is the listing for Etsy, just for you to see how much information I need to fill. Yeah, that's why it takes so long. So I didn't want to do this kind of sticker. I wanted to do some kiss cut stickers, like the peel off stickers, so it's easier, but they still look cute, and I can give away this for free in every order. So still happy, but let's keep trying to do some kiss cut stickers. So the settings are still not right. I'm cutting in a blade on number 2 and the strength on number 5, so I still need to decrease the strength, but it's already possible to peel them off, but still some of them cut too much, so let's try on strength number 4. So now I'm trying on strength 4. This is on strength 10. He cut it all the way through, and these ones that you saw before was on 5, and now this one is on 4. Let's see how it goes now. Yay, it worked. So I can peel this off. Yay, a lot easier. Yay. And now some do not bend stickers, because I always have to write it by hand, and yeah, a lot easier. Now it's time for some logos, because I was running out of it, and this machine makes so much noise. But yeah, I can do it like this, and yeah. Hey, look what I'm doing! Some sticker sheets. let's see how they work. I did 2 cut lines, so the purple one will be full cut and the red one will be piece cut, so like that thing that I showed you before, where is the peel off of the sticker. So now it's cutting and let's see if it works. Are. I already saw the cutting was not right, but let's see. It looks so cute! Okay, I'll show you what are the problems. So, in some of them, the cuttings are okay. I think you can see. But in others, the cutting is not okay. I need to see how I can load them better on the mat or in the machine, because I only have this to guide. So yeah, but they look so cute. Look at them. So let's see if it works better this time. I already loaded the mat in here. Now I need to click send. And it's reading these lines, and it will start cutting soon. Let's see if now they work better. But I'm really happy with this one still. This is my first sticker sheet, so I'm proud. Let's see. So it's cutting wrong again. I don't know if you can listen to me or see, but I think it's because of this. This is supposed to be straight and it's not. So yeah. So 1 week has passed. I was on vacation, as you saw previously. I was in the north of Portugal enjoying some nature, and as you can tell, I'm sick, so that's why I didn't talk that much, and I try not to do that much during this week on vacation. But I just received a new mat, so for the silhouette, so I'll just try it to see if it works better than the smaller one, to see if the line cuts perfectly. So let's see. So this is the new mat that I bought. I'm so sorry for my voice, but it sounds like a man. But this is not the Silhouette brand, but the reviews were very nice. The design is now printing, and let's see if now it cuts. Okay. I can see it works a lot better. All the stickers look the same, at least. I just need to perfect them on the computer, but now the cutting is good. So yeah. So I don't know if you can see, but now they look good. Just for comparing, this is the previous experience, and I believe you can see the cutting lines are way off. So yeah, a lot better. I still need to perfect them a little bit more before putting them in the shop. I think I'll need to reduce the space of this banner here, but so that I can put more stickers, another row. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. Another experiment successful. Yeah. So this was a very chilled week because I was on vacation, but I hope you still enjoy this studio vlog. Subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you next week. Bye!